How do I clean my dishwasher? Dishwasher Maintenance Cleaning Powder gives your dishwasher a thorough intensive clean, removing tough starch, protein and grease residues. Instructions can be found by peeling away the label. The product should be used in an empty dishwasher. It is tested and approved for safe and effective cleaning and should be used every 4 to 6 months. Before starting the cleaning, check the filter is not blocked with food remnants or other objects, making sure you use protective gloves in case you find any sharp objects, such as glass fragments. Do not use any detergent when cleaning the appliance. To start cleaning, turn on the dishwasher and select a program of at least 65 degrees centigrade or higher. And then start the dishwasher. Check the instruction manual to see which programs correspond to different temperatures. Let the program run for 30 minutes. Once the half hour has elapsed, open the dishwasher mid-program, taking great care to allow the steam to gently escape before opening the door fully. Scatter the cleaning product around the base of the machine evenly until the box is empty. Close the door and restart the program, allowing it to run until completion. Turn the dishwasher off at the end of the program. To use this product, please follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.